Hi viewers, today we shall focus in concept addition for upper primary students. Though it is for upper primary students, the higher class students also can be benefited out of this. Addition we always perform, and we do perform the other mathematical operations also. But when a mathematical operation is understood and done as per the concept based, then it will be of lot of benefit. Today we are going to see how the concept based addition is going to save our time during the calculation, and also it reduces the work. So we'll be having the 2-digit addition, 3-digit numbers addition, 4-digit numbers addition in the lower classes, and we used to follow some traditional way of adding those numbers. But still, in some of the cases, the concept is not understood. We do add that numbers, perform the process, get the value, but still we are not sure about the concept, and therefore we are not able to apply some alternate methods. So let's see how some addition of these numbers can be done with this game. Let's see, for example, with some number, suppose 1425 plus then 2575 plus 860. So this is to be added. Suppose in the ordinary process, how will you perform this addition? We will write all the numbers in a place value. Without changing its place value, we add that. That's a regular process. But how we can add and get the answer in single line directly? That's very important. That saves the time. Okay, here we go for that. We just go for adding these thousands. Here 1000, here 2000. So 3000. 400, here 500. So it is 900. And this 25 and this 75 becomes 100. So like this we select some numbers. How we select this? We select the numbers out of that which on adding gives some round figures. So if we add these two together, we will perform these two first. So while performing these two also, we see the thousands, hundreds and hundreds. Okay, here we see 3000 and here 900 plus 100, that is equal another 1000. So we get 4000 and added to 860. So 4860 will be the answer for this. So we got that. Here you see 2000 with this 1000 is equal to 3000. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Then out of the hundreds and the 500s, here 400. So that's 900. But this 25 and 75, it makes a round 100. So 900 plus 100 is this 1000. Previously we have 3000, so equal to 4000. To be added to 860, 4860. This how if you do this like this, then it will save the time. We need not go for the ordinary method of the regular process of the formal way of writing the numbers in order in the place values and getting the answer. This answer can be got directly. Don't you feel that we save some time here? This will be possible if we know the concept. Okay, let another example we will see that. Suppose we have this here 750. Now we'll have to try 750 is added to 1480 and this yet another added to 1250. Now you'll have to tell me which two numbers are to be combined first and then to be added to next. We are going to write the direct answer for this. Yes, got it? Yes, this 750 and this 1250 are to be combined first. So that we said this 750 and 250, that makes 1000, and here 1000, so 2000, and along with that here with this 2000, this 1480 is added. Then what do we get? Just by adding these two we get 2000, and this is one more 1480, so 3480. We get this like this. Not direct. This saves the time. This not only in this, even in the upper primary or in the middle school level also we get. Even not even that, even in our daily life also we can apply this. Okay. So this, if the students of this board appearing students and the competitive exam appearing students, if they adopt this, then they will be able to save their time. Not. Let's see yet another example. Okay, now see, so one number is 3600 here plus 749 plus 1400. Now this is for you children. You will have to write the answer directly in the box. As your time starts now. What did you get? Yes, you are correct here. 1000, 3000, 4000, then 5000, 5749. Yes, you will get like this. So this is the concept based addition. So we know the concept of the numbers and then we add differently to save the time. Okay, children. So like this addition can be performed, and we are going to apply some more properties of addition also in the next upcoming videos. Keep watching. Do subscribe our channel, and for getting the intimation regarding the videos, just press the bell icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, let's